Have you ever felt like a superhero, trying to tackle multiple tasks simultaneously? But instead of getting more done, you end up feeling drained and ineffective. Why does this happen? Well, science has the answers. Research shows that multitasking often does more harm than good, and in this video, we'll dive into its surprising impacts based on the latest scientific studies. Before we dive deeper, let's understand what multitasking really is. Simply put, multitasking is the attempt to handle multiple tasks at the same time, like replying to emails while attending a meeting. But, according to research by Hanik Plut and her colleagues published in Frontiers in Psychology, our brains are not designed to focus on more than one task at a time. Multitasking makes tasks feel harder and less satisfying. Plut's research also reveals that multitasking disrupts daily workflow. When tasks are fragmented, it becomes harder to maintain focus, resulting in lower productivity. Research by Elv Becker, published in Health Psychology Review, found that multitasking triggers heightened stress responses, particularly through activation of the sympathetic nervous system. This makes us feel more overwhelmed than when focusing on a single task. Jianfeng Yang, in his study published in the Journal of Managerial Psychology, found that multitasking depletes emotional energy necessary for creative thinking. Juggling multiple tasks leaves little mental space for innovation. Despite knowing the downsides, why do we still multitask? Ravi Kudeja's research in the Journal of Management shows that multitasking is often a response to work stress and time pressure. However, instead of solving the problem, it makes us more fatigued and less focused. Luckily, there are solutions. First, embrace single tasking, where you complete one task at a time with full focus before moving to the next. Kudeja's research also recommends mindfulness training, which has been shown to improve focus and reduce the negative effects of multitasking. So, multitasking isn't the productivity booster we often think it is. Instead, it's a hidden enemy that drains our energy and lowers our performance.
How about you?
Do you feel more productive when multitasking, or do you find it more harmful? Share your thoughts in the comments below.